This blog site is the avenue of our advocacy to restore the vanishing cultural heritage of Barubo, especially the significance of Barubo tree that needs to sprout a new hope for Barubuhanons.
Why do we need to plant trees which are from foreign lands if we have those species which are proven to be suited to our climate and beneficial to all of us? Species like Gmelina and Falcata are both species from foreign lands which are popular nowadays for commercial purposes.
It is sad to note that Barubo tree, which was once endemic in this place, are in limited number nowadays. Why don't we let them populate our hills and empty lands again?
Here in Barubo National High School, the BNHS Young Environmentalist Students Organization has established a plant nursery of Barubo tree. Its main purpose is for its propagation and massive planting of the Barubo tree throughout the municipality of Barubo. One of the plans of the group is to plant 500 Barubo trees at Barubo Eco Park, located at Sitio Argentina, San Vicente, Barubo, Surigao del Sur.